Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change date and time on your MacBook Neo. To do that, you have to navigate to the Apple menu in the top left corner of your device's screen. And after that, we're gonna have to go to System Settings. Here in the System Settings, we're gonna have to find General and open General Settings. And then in General Settings, let's go to Date and Time section. Here, in order to set date and time, we're gonna have to disable setting time and date automatically and enter the password to confirm this operation. And then set date and time manually by clicking Set next to date and time. Here we can select the current date and change it, and also the time. So you can either change it value by value, or you can use the interactive calendar to do that. As for the time, you only can change it manually, but be aware that by changing the date and time values to incorrect ones, you may limit yourself from accessing many different websites like Google, for example. But in this case, it actually didn't limit us, but sometimes it won't let you access websites like Google or YouTube when your date and time are set to incorrect values, because they simply require your date and time zone to be correct on your laptop. So I recommend just setting time and date automatically, unless you really need to change the values manually. And also, to change the time zone, you have to disable setting time zone automatically using your location, and then change your time zone by selecting the closest city from this list. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.